recycling water waste into electricity, microbial fuel cells. Myself Shamanand Dubey.
Awareness.
And
Vidya.
abstract. Microbial fuel cells have shown immense potential as a one-step solution for three major sustainable issues confronting the world today: energy, security, and global warming and waste management treatments. Pollutants in the wastewater containing carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, or heavy metals can be degraded and stabilized in the chambers of MFC. MFC fuels cell use bacteria to convert organic waste material into electrical energy and also treat wastewater. Problem of the study: the demand of the energy in the world continue to accelerate, and this triggers the global energy crisis and environmental pollutions. The reliance on fossil fuels is unsustainable because of its finite, depleting supplies and impact on environment. As a result, researchers are focusing on alternative, renewables, and carbon neutral energy sources which are necessary for environmental and economic sustainability. Hypothesis. Microbial fuel cell is a bioreactor that converts chemical energy present in the organic waste material compound substrates to electrical energy through catalytic reactions of microorganisms. Many substrates involved in generating electricity, including carbohydrates and proteins, volatile acids, cellulose, and water waste used as feed in MFC studies. Microbial fuel cells are non-combustive devices providing electrical energy using microorganisms as biocatalysts and organic materials as substrates. As these living microbes metabolize the substrate and chemical energy is converted into usable electrical energy. Microbes are present in everywhere in the environment that can oxidize different organic materials and converts their chemical energy into electrical energy with the help of microbial fuel cell system through different catalytic reactions. Organic matter present in the wastewater can be considered as a valuable material acting as a reliable source of energy in the MFC. Bacteria can be used to catalyze the conversion of organic matter into direct electricity while accomplishing the biodegradation of organic matter to carbon dioxide as an end product. The energy available in the organic wastewater can be harvested as electricity by using microbial fuel cell. Organisms which can be used in microbial fuel cells are Enterobacter nerogens, Geobacter sulfuretisens, Bacillus violaceus. The idea of using microbes to produce electricity was conceived in the early 20th century by Michael Chris Porter. Initiated the subject in 1911. Porter managed to generate electricity from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, but the work received the little coverage. A study by Del Duca et al. Used hydrogen produced by the fermentation of glucose by Clostridium bitricum as the reactant at the anode of the hydrogen and air fuel. Through the cell function, it was unreliable owing to the unstable nature of hydrogen production by the microorganisms. This issue was resolved by the Suzuki et al. In 1976, who produced a successful MFC design a year later. In May 2007, the University of Queensland, Australia completed a prototype of MFC as a cooperative effort with Foster Brewery. MFC can be grouped into two general categories: mediated and unmediated. In mediated, the MFC first demonstrated in the early 20th century used a mediator, a chemical that transfers electrons from bacteria into the cell to the anode. Unmediated MFC emerged in the 1970s. In this type of MFC, the bacteria typically have electrochemical active redox proteins such as cytochromes on their outer membrane that can transfer electrons directly to the anode. In the 21st century, MFCs have started to find commercial use in water-based treatment. Applications of MFC, wastewater treatment and energy recovery, on-site power generation in remote areas and power supply for sensors using indigenous biodegradable fuels. Working of MFC. Microbial fuel cell is an electrochemical device which transforms organic substrate into electrical energy by using oxidative redox reactions facilitated by microorganisms. Redox reaction results in the removal of biological oxygen demand in wastewater producing electricity. MFC consists of two chambers, aerobic chamber and anaerobic chamber. These anaerobic and aerobic chambers are separated by through a proton exchange membrane. This is a proton exchange membrane. Substrates which can be used in MFC to generate electricity are chemical wastewater, domestic wastewater, swine waste, dairy wastewaters. Microbial fuel cell is an used in domestic wastewater management, food industries, agro industries, brewery industries, landfill leaches. The microbes which resides in the anaerobic chamber catalyze the conversion of organic matter into direct electricity while accomplishing the biodegradation of organic matter to hydrogen ions, electrons and carbon dioxide as end product. Outer layer of majority of species is composed of non-conductivity lipid membrane, peptidoglycan and lipopolysaccharides which stops the facilitation of electrons to be transferred to anode. The formed electrons are transferred to anode surface with the aid of mediators. Mediators are the substances that mediate the transfer of electrons anode and then from anode the electrons move to cathode through electrical circuit generating electricity. The formed protons passes through a proton exchange membrane, reaches aerobic chamber. The aerobic chamber has a gas pressure. This helps in the circulation of air that consists of oxygen in the chamber. Electrons and protons are consumed in the cathode by reduction of soluble electrons acceptors such as oxygen to form pure water. Landscape of microbial fuel cell applications like carbon sequestration, biosensors, environmental pollutant analysis, process monitoring, BOD sensors, and enzymatic glucose sensors. Sediment MFCs are like bioelectrical generations from natural redox gradients, power sensors to data transmitters. Generation of electricity on-site treating waste water through MFC. Discussion the pursuit of alternative sources of energy due to consequences of an unabated rising human population has directed attention of researchers towards MFC, which essentially perform a dual role of wastewater treatment and generation of energy. The study increases in the number of research articles published on MFC over the last 15 years is an indicator of the steadfastness and commitment of the research community. Many new applications are beginning to be tested and they come into widespread use in the near future. Conclusion: research into MFC to develop it is a wastewater treatment system is gaining in impetus day by day. Full-scale implementation of such electrochemical wastewater treatment system is not straightforward because certain microbiological and technological challenges need to be resolved that have not previously been encountered in any other wastewater treatment system. Many more improvements as stated earlier are necessary before the MFC can be commercialized as wastewater treatment process. The MFC technology holds promise toward the wastewater treatment and sustainable energy generation. Thank you.